SmartCAM version 17 introduces several new features, which provide the ability to generate a variety of report types, greatly improving the quality and flexibility of job documentation and printed output. Extensive changes to the report generation system allow comprehensive reports with graphic images and data tables to be automatically generated and output in a HTML format, which can be viewed, distributed, and printed from a web browser. These new capabilities are found in all SmartCAM version 17 applications. Today, we will be using SmartCAM Advanced Turning for our demonstration. We'll begin by reviewing the custom name views we created using the new version 17 viewing features during our name view video, and are stored with a SmartCAM model. That video provides details about the new name view functionality and is available on the SmartCAM CNC website. As you can see, we have a tooling view which displays just the tooling geometry layer in a front orientation, and our setup view which displays the solid model setup in an ISO orientation without toolpath or wireframe geometry. Using our Show All view, we redisplay the toolpath and wireframe, then select our front orientation, which had been modified to automatically fit the display geometry into the full window. Now let's take a look at the updates to SmartCAM report generation and see how the improvements to name view relate to reporting. In previous versions of SmartCAM, there was a JOS report menu for each report type, job, tool, and step, and it was not possible to include both tools and steps in a single report. Version 17 now combines all three report types into a single dialog box, which allows any combination to be output in a single report. Each tab allows settings specific to the corresponding report to be specified, for example, which tools and steps to include, and in which order. The JOS report formatting language has been extended to include new job, tool, and step report header and footer procedures. These new report type procedures provide greater flexibility than previous page-based procedures, allowing complex report files to be created easily. For a complete listing of all the new procedures and formatting commands, see the SmartCAM V17 What's New. Let's take a look at the new HTML report type now included with version 17. This report allows job, tool, and step data to be output to an HTML file which can be viewed and printed from a web browser. If we were to save the report in a different format type, such as in plain text or comma delimited, the Open JOS Report option sends the newly created report to the application associated with that file type. We'll create a combined job, tool, and step report, and using the new Open JOS Report option, automatically open it into a web browser. As you can see, the HTML report is automatically opened in the browser. All three report types are included in an easy-to-read table format. Now let's examine how the improved name view feature allows us to output graphic images in our job report. As you can see, on the Job Info tab, we have the option of including a name view image. The list contains the standard options of None or Current, as well as all the existing name views. For this job report, let's use the previously created Setup view. On the Tooling tab, we will select our predefined tooling view. And on the Steps tab, we will use the Current view. Now let's regenerate our HTML report. As you can see, we have now added the specified graphic views to our report. It is now simple and easy to print and save the report using the browser's Print and Save functionality. Because we are using the browser's print functionality, the report will print to any of our installed printers as it is viewed on the screen. In this case, we will print to a PDF file for later distribution. As you can see, the report was written to our local SmartCAM V17 User Reports output folder. From here, it is simple to save the report with the view graphics to the folder of our choice, especially useful for distribution to coworkers or customers. The next feature we'll show is the improved Print Graphics function. As you can see, there is now a Print Preview button which displays the graphics on the sheet with a specified border and current printer page orientation. We'll change the print orientation to landscape, so we will have a larger image on the hard copy printout. Then preview the print job, which now shows the landscape orientation. Not only is it easier to preview your print graphics settings, other improvements to print graphics ensure the highest print resolution and accurate 1:1 scaling. The final feature we'll demonstrate is the ability to save a graphic image as a PNG file, a lossless data compression bitmap image. In the Save As dialog, the Save As file type now includes the Portable Network Graphic PNG file type. Let's save the screen as a PNG file, and then open it in the Windows Paint program. SmartCAM version 17 provides many new features which greatly improve the quality and flexibility of job documentation and printed output. Extensive changes to the report generation system allow comprehensive reports with graphic images and data tables to be automatically generated and output in HTML format, which can be viewed and printed from a web browser. The new customization capabilities for report generation make sharing job information throughout your organization simple and easy. Improvements to graphic printing make it effortless to realize your desired output with the highest possible graphics clarity. The direct saving of screen graphics makes it very easy to email an image or to open it in a graphics program. For more information on how SmartCAM version 17 can help you save time and money, contact us at sales@smartcamcnc.com. If controlling your toolpath is important to you, SmartCAM is your answer.